Welcome, students, to Falas Adverse, where we make learning simple, smart, and stress free. Let's begin.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum students. So I'm back with another video in our quadratic equations series. So this video is in this video we are going to talk about quadratic formula, right? So what is quadratic formula? We are going to discuss what is quadratic formula and how do we solve our quadratic equation with the help of quadratic formula. So if you know the quadratic formula and if you can actually memorize it, it becomes very easy for you to get your value of x to solve your quadratic equation, right? So what is a quadratic equation? If we talk about the journal form of quadratic equation, it is simply ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So this is your journal form of a quadratic equation, right? So in this case, a, b and c are your constants and your x is your variable. And in a quadratic equation, if you want to know either your equation is a quadratic equation or not, you always see the power of variable. In a quadratic equation, always the power of your variable, the highest power is equals to 2. So in this case, you can see that the highest power is 2. That means it's a quadratic equation. So for a quadratic equation, there could be multiple ways to solve a quadratic equation. There could be factorization method, which is also called as middle term breaking. There can be completing square method, and the third one is quadratic formula, which is the simplest and easiest method. So what do we do is x equals minus b plus equals under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is your quadratic equation. So I know कि this quadratic formula might seem very difficult or difficult to memorize even, but trust me, if you memorize it once, it's going to make your life very easy. तो होता ये है कि where are we getting this formula from? Actually, this is the most simplest form of your completing square method. So I taught completing square method in my previous video. You can click on the link in this series and you can find the completing square videos that I made over it. But the thing is that अगर आपको completing square method नहीं करना and you want a simpler way out, you can simply do this form. Okay, so ये जो formula आया है, this is basically derived from your completing square method. तो completing square method अगर किसी को नहीं करना है, you can simply do this formula here, right? So I'm going to solve this part here so that you can actually understand this formula and आपके लिए easy हो जाए, right? Because right now it seems very difficult, but actually it is not. So what do you do is, if you are given an equation like this to solve, you simply write a journal form below it. इससे क्या होगा आपको पता लग जाएगा a कौन है, b कौन है, c कौन है. So right now your a is 1 because x square के साथ कुछ भी नहीं है. b क्या है, -5 and c is equals to +6. So you have a, you have b, you have c. आपने simply plug in करना है फॉर्मूले के अंदर. So what do we do is, सबसे पहले तो इन डिनोमिनेटर यू हैव 2 into a, so 2 into 1 which is actually 2 minus b, if you can see -5 as it is ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिख देते हैं और ये माइनस भी लिख देते हैं, ये लिखना ज़रूरी है, इसको भूलना नहीं है, प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट b square is -5 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 6. So you write it like this. Done. Next step. So next step, what do we do is, before I explain you the next step, let me tell you this under root b square minus 4ac, this is actually called as your discriminant. What it is called? It is called as your discriminant. So this is called as your discriminant, right? So discriminant होता क्या है? I am going to explain you this right now. अभी इसको आगे बढ़ाने से पहले actually discriminant आपको क्या बताता है? जब आप b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac वाला पार्ट सॉल्व कर लेते हो, अभी मैं अंडर रूट की भी बात नहीं करूँगी, सिर्फ b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac वाला पार्ट, और आप समझ लो ये एक डेल्टा वैल्यू है जो आई है. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac निकाला, जो कि मैं अभी सबसे पहले यहाँ निकाल ही लेती हूँ. सो माइनस माइनस इज +5 plus minus under root. So -5 square is 25 minus 4 6 24. So 25 minus 24 मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ अभी के लिए. It is 1 अपॉन दिस। तो अभी के लिए अगर आप नोटिस करो तो बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac को सॉल्व करने के बाद मेरे पास क्या आया 1, क्या आया मेरे पास 1। तो अगर आपके पास डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू, ये आपका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट है समझो, ठीक है, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac की बात हो रही है, अगर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac की जो वैल्यू आए वो ग्रेटर देन 0 हो तो इसका मतलब क्या है, इट मीन्स you will get two real roots. What will you get? You will get two real roots at the end of your answer. If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, that means you are going to get one real root, only one real root, which is actually repeated. And if you get less than 0, then you will have टू कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट। और टू कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट का मतलब ये होता है कि नॉन रियल रूट, जो कि अभी के लिए इट्स नॉट ऑन यू बिकॉज वो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होता है, इट इज़ बेसिकली एन आई नंबर, राइट, इट इज़ नॉट योर रेगुलर नंबर, ठीक है, वो एक आई वाले कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट होते हैं जो वो कहलाते हैं, राइट। सो राइट नाउ वी हैव गॉट 1 विच इज़ बेसिकली क्या है, ग्रेटर देन 0। दिस विल टेल यू दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट टू रियल रूट्स एट द एंड। सिंपल रियल का मतलब यही होता है कि सिंपली 2, 5, 6, 2/5, 1.5 कुछ भी इस तरह का है, विच मीन्स नॉर्मली जितने भी आपके नंबर्स आने, चाहे फ्रैक्शन आना चाहे डेसिमल आना है, दैट इज योर रियल रूट। तो टू डिफरेंट रियल रूट्स आने हैं आपके पास, राइट। सो दिस इज वन थिंग आई एक्सप्लेन यू, बट यू विल गेट टू नो मोर ऑफ इट इन योर inequalities chapter, not right now. So we have got under root 1. So what do we do is we actually split it into two parts, और x equals 5 minus 1/2। क्यों? क्योंकि देखो एक आंसर आएगा +1, एक आंसर आएगा -1, तो दोनों आंसर्स से आपने x के वैल्यूज निकाल लेने। तो x का वैल्यू क्या है, 5 + 1 is 6, 6/2 is 3, so you will get one answer as 3 and another answer will be 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, 4/2 is 2. So you have got two real roots because 2 and 3 are real numbers. So what you can see is कि ये वाली जो बात है सही निकली है, right? So this is how you solve it. Let's solve another part. So let's do another example, which is a little harder. And why do I call it harder? You will get to know at the end. Otherwise, it's very easy. Honestly, it's not much. You just have to plug in your formula. So right now, सबसे पहले you need to identify what is A, what is B, what is C. So x square के साथ you always have a A, which is 1 right now. X के साथ you have a B, which is 4. C is basically the constant number that you have, which is +1. We simply plug it inside our formula. Minus B is -4 plus minus under root B का square I am just directly writing here, 16 minus 4 into 1 into 1, right? So it is simply 4 actually. 2 into 1 again, which is 2. So let's solve it further. We have -4, we have 2 in the denominator, plus minus under root. You can see 16 minus 4 here. So 16 minus 4 is what? It's actually 14 if I'm not wrong. No, it's 12. It's 12. So it's 12. And now what we can do is we can actually have two parts here. X equals -4 plus under root 12/2, or it could be -4 माइनस अंडर रूट 12/2। तो आंसर एक्चुअली इस तरह से आ रहे हैं हमारे पास, इसलिए मैंने इसको हार्ड करता, अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट। सो व्हाट डू वी डू नेक्स्ट, व्हाट शुड वी डू नेक्स्ट? व्हाट डू वी डू नेक्स्ट इज x इक्वल्स -4। नाउ अंडर रूट 12 क्या होता है? अंडर रूट 12 एक्चुअली होता है 2 अंडर रूट 3। तो आई कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, 2 अंडर रूट 3/2, और x इक्वल्स -4 माइनस 2 अंडर रूट 3/2। अब एक और चीज़ कर सकते हैं, वी कैन एक्चुअली डिवाइड। 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, same here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1. So what do we get here is -2 plus under root plus 2 under root 3, actually 1 under root 3, -2 plus under root 3, or x equals -2 minus under root 3. So you have got what? You have got two answers, -2 plus under root 3 and -2 minus under root 3. So if you look at your discriminant here, it is +12, it's a positive number. So here you can see whenever you have any value greater than 0 for b square minus 4ac, you will get two real roots. So these are actually two real roots because these are two numbers. Even if this, there is an under root here, and even if you write it in a calculator, you will get a decimal value, right? But that is again a real number. A decimal value is also a real number. So you have got two real numbers here. So that's it for this video. I hope you understand it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's make maths stress-free, simple, and easy. Let's ace maths together. Thanks for watching.